Welcome back, car enthusiasts. The legend of American muscle roars again. This is the 2025 Ford Mustang 5.0 GT, where timeless power meets next-generation performance. The legend returns, introduction and vision. Today, we're talking about one of the most iconic muscle cars ever built, the 2025 Ford Mustang 5.0 GT. The Mustang name has always stood for freedom, rebellion, and raw American power, and this 2025 model takes all that heritage and injects it with modern technology and bold attitude. From the roar of its engine to its aggressive styling, this isn't just a car, it's an experience that reminds the world why the Mustang will always be the king of the open road. Power that defines the legend, engine and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Mustang GT continues the muscle car legacy with a 5.0-liter naturally aspirated Coyote V8 engine that pumps out an impressive 480 horsepower and 415 lb-ft of torque. Choose between a 6-speed manual for that pure old-school thrill, or a 10-speed automatic that shifts faster than you can blink. The GT can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 4.2 seconds, giving you that neck-snapping acceleration Mustangs are famous for. And with its advanced dual intake system and active exhaust valves, you can switch between quiet cruising and full-on track aggression at the push of a button. Bold design, modern soul, exterior and interior. The 2025 Mustang 5.0 GT doesn't just perform, it looks like it's built for speed. Up front, you'll notice its sharper LED headlights, wider grille, and that aggressive stance that screams power even when it's standing still. Around the back, quad exhausts and a sculpted rear end complete the look of a car that means business. Step inside, and Ford's gone futuristic. A 12.4-inch digital driver display blends seamlessly with a 13.2-inch infotainment screen, both powered by a SWN-C4. You get Recaro performance seats, leather finishes, and ambient lighting, all designed to make every drive feel like a cockpit experience. Technology meets muscle, driving experience. Ford didn't just make the Mustang faster, they made it smarter. You get selectable drive modes, normal, sport, track, and drag, so the car adapts to your driving mood. With launch control, line lock, and rev-matching downshifts, the GT feels like a street-legal race car. The MagneRide adaptive suspension keeps it planted on every corner, while the Brembo performance brakes bring it to a confident stop when it's time to cool down. It's muscle meets precision, the perfect blend of power, control, and attitude. Safety, price and final thoughts. Of course, the 2025 Mustang GT also gets a modern safety suite, including lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and pre-collision braking. The starting price hovers around $45,000, depending on trims and options. So, whether you want to cruise through city lights or dominate the open highway. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the legend, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more automotive power stories.